In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a countdown in your Outlook calendar. We all know how helpful a countdown can be when we're eagerly anticipating a big event or deadline. Let's walk through the straightforward process of incorporating a countdown timer into your Outlook calendar. To begin, we're going to utilize an online countdown timer image. You can start by heading to any of several websites that offer countdown timers. Some popular options include Meeting Tool Chest, Countdown Mail, and Mail Timers. These sites are great resources because they enable you to generate a timer quickly and effortlessly. Once you're on the website of your choice, you'll need to generate your countdown timer. Simply pick the specific date and time for your event or deadline, then proceed to customize how you want your timer to look. Most of these tools offer a range of aesthetic options, so feel free to make the timer align with your personal style or the theme of your upcoming event. With your countdown timer customized and ready to go, the next step is to get it into your Outlook calendar. To do this, right-click on the timer image that you've generated and select the option that says Copy Image or something similar. It's important here simply to copy the graphic itself as opposed to the website link or other information. Now open Outlook and start a new meeting, invitation, or email, whichever suits your needs for this countdown. In the body of your message or event, right-click and paste the timer image you've copied. A quick note, make sure the image is neatly placed within the text and that it's large enough to be clearly visible, but not so large that it interrupts the overall layout of your message or invitation. You'll notice that the countdown will begin immediately once you've inserted the image, and it will continue to count down each time you open or save your event or message. This integration is seamless and doesn't require any additional setup, which is why online timer images can be a real lifesaver. Remember, this approach not only adds a visual and dynamic element to your Outlook events, making them more engaging, but it also keeps you and your attendees informed about how much time is left until the event starts. So go ahead and try it out for your next event. It's a pretty handy tool to have at your disposal, especially if you pride yourself on timely and well-organized meetings or deadlines. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to set countdowns in your Outlook calendar. Implementing this technique is pretty simple, yet it can make a significant difference in how you manage your time and communicate with your contacts.